Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And if you haven't figured it out, I'm Carolyn and I just love my clothes. So I can't stay away from shopping, and I finally got all my online orders, or mostly online orders, that I purchased over the last couple weeks in, and I figured I'd come here and I'd share them with you. All right, first up, last weekend I went to an expensive mall in New Jersey and I popped into the Loft, which isn't a bit expensive at all. I think Loft is very affordable. They're always having a 30, 40, even 50% off sale, and it makes items extremely affordable. So the first item I have to share with you is not that exciting. It is just a gray tank top. I love their tanks. If you have not tried them out yet, check them out. They're soft, they're comfortable, they wash well, they're great for layering. And I paid, between the two items together, $42. This tank and this little sweater vest. Now, I love this sweater vest. I was looking around after I picked up the tank. This tank was something I kind of needed. I was looking around the store, and I was like, I don't see anything. I'm looking for something unique, something different, something I don't have. And it's kind of funny because my friend Shannon from Shannon's Style recently got a pink and orange dress and said, how do I feel about the colors together? I said, I don't like it. But when I saw this sparked joy. And what is it? Pink and orange. I don't know. There was something about this that I thought was so cute. So it has the scalloping here around the sleeves that are outlined in the pink yarn, as well as at the bottom has the ivory band and the pink scalloping at the bottom. And it is just a little sleeveless crocheted sweater vest. And I just think it's adorable. It's just something about it sparked joy and put a smile on my face when I saw it. So I grabbed it, tried it on. I'm like, this is coming home with me. So between the sweater and the tank, it was $42. Okay. Next up, something I had on my wish list for a while. I saw this on Wantable's stream and I asked for it 3 times from Wantable. Never received it. Kept saying it was available on the stream. Never received it. It's a name brand that I really enjoy, Lucy Paris. And I looked everywhere for this particular top. And I saw it in plain beige color and I really wanted it in this fuchsia color. All right. And I did something I never did before, and I found an online boutique in Rye, New York that had it. So I decided to order it, and hopefully this fits. It was not cheap, and I had to pay for shipping. The boutique was called Reveal Collection, and it's a boutique that does exist in Rye, New York, and they sent this out to me right away. I'm excited to try it on, and I'm going to have to make it to work because it's not refundable. But this is just so pretty. I love the crochet detail. I love how the bottom is all scalloped. I love the little scalloping here on the sleeves. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I will have to make this work for me somehow. So I'm very excited to have this finally, and it's something very out of character for me. I rarely buy things from stores that I can't easily return to, let alone can't return to at all, like this one. This was, final sale type of thing. Okay, the next thing that I purchased were these Liverpool pants. Now I saw these pants and I had some outfit ideas in mind for them. So I'm gonna come closer. I saw them again on Wantable, asked for them several times, never got it. So it's like a gray, a light blue, a slate blue, and a green in here. Or I think a green. It's very muted, and when I saw these, I saw how they were styled, and I thought that would be great for what I had in mind. And I'll show you, I have actually several outfit ideas that I want to style with these, but I will show you just one because you'll be seeing these in upcoming videos for outfit of the day. So they're like a kick flare or crop flare, hopefully on me. It's probably full length on me, but we'll see how they work. And again, they're directly from Liverpool. I did get 20% off because I'm a new customer. However, they did bang me with $12 of shipping. So one way or another, these are gonna have to work for me somehow. If they look really awful, then I'll probably consider returning them. I've never actually done that with Liverpool before, but I really like these and I'm really hoping they work out. So again, this is highly unusual for me to do these types of purchases, but I did. Next up, Evereve. I had a $20 rewards coupon. Plus, I had the 10% Mother's Day sale going on. So I decided to get this vest. Now, this again is something unusual in my wardrobe. I know vests are trending and on style, but I figured even when it's out of style, I can still hold on to this. It's not going to take much room in my closet, and it's always something, it's very basic and plain, and something I can keep for the rest of my life, you know? This is by Evereve, and I think I paid like $68 after all said and done, and my shipping was free for this. So, you know, it should fit because I did try on the same thing in black. I felt like a waiter in the black one. I really wanted the beige one for summertime. So, yeah, I ordered it directly from Evereve. Again, these are all things I see in these boxes, and I keep asking them for it. I never get, so I have to order directly. All right, and lastly, White House Black Market. So there's a story about this top. I wanted this top so bad, and it sold out. And then after it sold out, I kept looking at it and stalking it, and then it finally came back in my size. So I ordered it my size at full price, and lo and behold, guess what? The last I looked just yesterday, it was on sale again, but I can't even get a price adjustment because they're out of my size again. So this is just a wrap top in this gorgeous blue color. Let me see if I can find the material for you, because it does feel like a soft cotton poplin, like something that would be cool for the summer. But let me see. Let me see. And again, it is a wrap style. Interesting. Nothing there. I don't know. It feels like poplin. I don't know. It's made in China. Fabric in China. I don't know. Interesting. All right. Well, if I find what it's made out of, I will let you know. And give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up is the White House Black Market top, and I did check, and it is 78% cotton, 19% nylon, and I believe 3% spandex if my math works out. This is how I'd wear the top, but I would actually have to use a little fashion tape to not have any wardrobe malfunctions, because it is a wrap style. It has a collar. The fabric is nice and soft and I think fairly breathable. The armholes I feel are pretty good. And yeah, this is my normal size 2. I usually take a 2 in tops. Otherwise they're just a little bit too tight. And again, wrap style, so I tied it here on the side. And I put it with my white boot cut from the cloth jeans and my white mules. And this is actually how I wear this. And I'm excited to add this to my closet. I love this color. I think it's so beautiful. And it's called Isla, I-S-L-A, I believe. I'll put links below, but the chances of this being available, I think, are slim to none. And of course, it was on sale for like $39. And of course, they were out of my size. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next item. Okay, thank goodness it fits. So this is the Lucy Paris sweater that I got from a boutique. It is crop style, it doesn't ride up, but I think I would probably find a higher waisted pants than these because this barely just makes it to cover my tummy. I also have to be a little bit careful with the top that I don't pull it down so much to cover the stomach that it then exposes my bra. But other than that, it works. I love the color of this. Let me come closer to show you. I think it's so pretty. It is see-through, as you can see, and I'm not quite sure what to do about that, but I might just have to just deal with it. I'm not sure. Or find a bra this color. Not quite sure what to do about it. Black would show through too. I have beige and I have this nude and I have black. Neither one of them would work that way. Yeah, so I think this is pretty. Let me show you the back of it. All right. Yeah, happy, thrilled, love this color. I think it's pretty and it is fairly unique to my wardrobe. I have a gray sweater that I got from Stitch Fix that's sort of like the same shape and everything, but it's gray and this is a bright fuchsia, so I can justify it. All right, give me a minute and I'll try the next piece. Okay, next up I have the White House, sorry, not White House, this one is Loft, the Loft sweater, and I paired it with my ivory jeans that I got from Stitch Fix. They're by Judy Blue, they're the kick crop style, and my hot pink shoes that I ordered from Stitch Fix by 9 West. And I chose the ivory jeans because this is more of an ivory than a white. Yeah, you can get away with white with this too, but I think I would like the ivory better. And I love this, and this is exactly how I'd wear it, and I think this is an adorable outfit. One thing I wanted to point out, though, is that I would wear a racerback bra with this. I had like push in my bra straps. in order for them not to see with this top, but a racer back would be no issue and would cover them completely. All right, and here is the back of the sweater. And I think this is such a fun, cute outfit. All right, give me the minute. Next item to come. Okay, next up I have the Evereve vest, which is a little bit tighter than I recall the black one being. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and make sure it's not too tight. I was gonna wear this with shorts. I'm not so sure I'd wear with this with shorts now. Like I said, I thought this was more of a looser type of vest. I don't remember it being this tight. And I'll have to see if the buttons are really pulling that much, but I would wear them with a pair of plain jean shorts and a pair of wedges, and yeah, this is how I would style this. So it has the buttons down the front. They are definitely working buttons, and I could, I guess, put a tank top underneath. It has faux pockets here. It does have this little adjustable thing here in the back, and you know, I don't even know what this is made out of, but it's not lined at all. So it's very lightweight. I feel the armholes are good, and I think this is a cute piece. I'm just a little bit worried that the buttons might be pulling, so I'm gonna have to look back at the footage. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop up on the next piece. Okay, the next outfit are the pants, and I'm excited, and this is exactly how I thought to style it. I am wearing a really old Viscomuto button down with a dark Liverpool jacket that I got from an old mix and match box, and these fun pants. And this is just one way that I thought of styling these pants, and I think this works out well. It's exactly what I had in mind. I was looking for a pair of pants that I can wear with things that are light blue, that aren't white, and that weren't denim, you know? And I think I found them, and they're good for spring and fall. So yeah, this is my first outfit, and I'm sure you're gonna see these pants up in an upcoming styling video. All right, and again, they're pull-on style, flat front, elastic waist, pockets, and lots of fun. All right, give me a minute. I think I only have the tank left. Give me a minute. Okay, last up I have on the Loft tank. Now, if you have never tried these tanks, give them a shot. I love them. I think they're great. They're a great substitute for like a Michael Stars, which in my opinion is way overpriced. These, like I said, I get like for $14. They fit well, they wash well, and they come in 9 million colors in Loft. So, and no, I'm not sponsored. So you can see it's nice and high cut. It's high up here at the neck too. I think they do have ones that do come a little bit lower. I do have to wear my Soma Racerback bra. Again, not sponsored, but highly recommend these bras. They cover up a lot. It's a race because of the Racerback. I'm wearing with a pair of Sanctuary shorts. This is something I would wear in the dog days of summer when it's like the 90 degrees and something % humidity. These are super lightweight, loose fitting shorts. Tank top and a pair of flip-flops, and I am set, and this would be my outfit on those brutally hot days. And thank you very much for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, why not? If you like clothing and want to hang out with me, that's what I do. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.